When you're investing a fortune into one of these machines, you're betting on its brand reputation. A reputation built on decades of power and durability. But what if that trust is misplaced? What if some of the biggest names are hiding some serious flaws? Today, we're digging deep and ranking the major dozer brands, from the ones that'll leave you stranded to the undisputed champions of the worksite. We're talking about real-world performance, common mechanical nightmares, and what truly separates the good from the legendary. Let's get the dirt. The underdogs with big flaws. Let's start at the bottom of the pile. In the world of heavy machinery, a lower price tag can be incredibly tempting, but it often comes with a hidden cost. Some brands, while major players on the global stage, have earned a reputation for, let's call them, quirks. Take Shantui, for example. You might be surprised to hear they are the world's largest bulldozer producer by sheer volume. Based in China, they've flooded the market with machines that get the job done for a while. But talk to mechanics and operators, and you'll hear a different story. Persistent electrical gremlins are a common complaint. Imagine being in the middle of a critical grading job and your controls suddenly go dead. That's not just an inconvenience, it's a costly delay. But the real Achilles heel for some of these budget-friendly models? The transmission. We've heard numerous reports of premature failures and a lack of durability under heavy continuous use. It's like having a world-class weightlifter with weak knees. The power is there, but the core components just can't handle the strain long-term. Another name that pops up in this category is Nortrac. While not as globally massive as Shantui, their NB3500 dozer became infamous for a few glaring issues. Electrical problems were rampant, but the most frustrating complaint? The tracks. Operators reported that the tracks would slip off with frustrating regularity. A dozer without stable tracks is like a tank without its treads, an expensive, oversized paperweight. When your crew is spending more time refitting tracks than moving dirt, that initial savings on the purchase price evaporates pretty quickly. These brands serve a purpose, offering an accessible entry point for smaller operations. But for those who depend on their machines day in and day out, the long-term reliability issues can turn a bargain into a massive headache. The solid middle ground. Moving up the ladder, we find the brands that represent a solid, dependable choice for a wide range of jobs. They may not always have the top-of-the-line prestige of our industry titans, but they deliver a respectable balance of performance, features, and value. First up, Case Construction Equipment. Case has carved out a strong niche, particularly in the mid-sized dozer market. If you see a dozer working on a new housing development or a commercial landscaping project, there's a good chance it's a Case. Their M-Series dozers are widely respected for their incredibly precise electro-hydraulic blade controls. This allows operators to grade with surgical accuracy, which is a huge plus for finishing work. Furthermore, Case has been smart about integrating technology. Their machines are often compatible with a wide array of precision construction systems, like GPS and laser guidance, making them a versatile choice for modern work sites. So, why aren't they at the top? While they offer great value, some long-time operators feel they don't quite have the brute force or the bulletproof durability of the premium brands. They're a fantastic workhorse, but maybe not the thoroughbred racehorse you'd bet the farm on for the most demanding mining or quarrying work. Next, we have the iconic green and yellow of John Deere. For decades, John Deere has been a household name in agriculture, and they've translated that expertise into a formidable line of construction equipment. John Deere dozers, like the Powerhouse 1050K, are true masters of versatility. They're praised for their operator-friendly cabs and intuitive controls, which can significantly reduce fatigue over a long day. John Deere has also been a pioneer in safety and efficiency features. Systems like automatic load sensing and intelligent power management ensure the dozer is always delivering optimal power without wasting fuel or putting unnecessary strain on the engine. They build tough, reliable machines that are backed by a strong dealer network. So, what holds them back from the top spot? Honestly, it's just the sheer dominance of the competition. John Deere makes an excellent dozer, but they exist in a market where the top players have set an incredibly high bar. They are a solid, reliable, and smart choice, but just shy of legendary status. And now we come to the Titans, the brands that are spoken of with a sense of reverence on worksites around the globe. These are the machines that take on the biggest, toughest jobs and keep coming back for more. A major force in this top tier is Komatsu. This Japanese giant is in a constant head-to-head battle for the top spot, and for good reason. Komatsu's calling card is innovation. They were one of the first to truly perfect Intelligent Machine Control, or IMC. This isn't just a simple add-on, it's a fully integrated system that automates blade control from rough dozing to finish grading. The dozer essentially knows the site plan and can perform complex tasks with minimal operator input, increasing efficiency and accuracy dramatically. Beyond the tech, Komatsu dozers are known for their exceptional fuel efficiency and rugged construction. They build machines that are meant to last, and their global support network is second to none. If Caterpillar is the king, Komatsu is the powerful, ambitious prince constantly vying for the throne. They are a top-tier choice by any measure, pushing the entire industry forward with their relentless focus on technology. Another powerhouse, particularly in the high-end market, is the European brand Lieberhurst. Lieberhurst is like the luxury sports car of the dozer world. They are renowned for their sophisticated engineering and cutting-edge technology. Their focus is on building highly advanced, incredibly efficient machines. Lieberhurst integrates advanced diesel engines with smart power management systems and a suite of operator assistance features that are among the best in the business. They are also leaders in sustainability, constantly working to reduce the environmental impact of their massive machines. For large-scale operations that demand the absolute latest in technology and efficiency, Lieberhurst is a name that commands immense respect. But when all the dust settles, one brand still stands tallest on the mountain of dirt it helped create. And that is, of course, Caterpillar. There's a reason why, when you picture a bulldozer, you probably picture a big, yellow cat machine. For over a century, Caterpillar has been the benchmark, the gold standard. Their reputation is built on a simple, unshakable foundation: unmatched reliability. Caterpillar dozers are legendary for their durability. These machines are engineered to operate in the most brutal conditions imaginable, from the frozen mines of the Arctic to the scorching heat of construction sites. And they just keep working. Models like the colossal D11T are the backbone of the global mining industry, moving millions of tons of earth with relentless power. But it's not just about brute strength. Caterpillar is also an innovator. Their Cat D6XE was the world's first high-drive electric drive dozer, offering staggering improvements in fuel efficiency, a huge factor when you're running a fleet of these machines 24/7. And perhaps Caterpillar's greatest strength is something you can't see on a spec sheet: their support network. With a dealer presence in virtually every corner of the globe, getting parts and service is never a problem. This unparalleled support contributes to another key factor: resale value. A 5-year Caterpillar dozer can retain an astonishing 72 to 78% of its original value. That is an investment that truly holds its own. So, there you have it. From the budget-friendly but flawed underdogs, to the solid, reliable workhorses, and finally, to the undisputed titans of the industry. Choosing the right dozer is a massive decision. A single wrong choice can lead to a cascade of problems, downtime, maintenance nightmares, and lost productivity that can cripple a business. While brands like Shantui offer a way in, it's the legends like John Deere, Komatsu, and the King Caterpillar that have proven, time and time again, that they can be trusted when the job is tough and the stakes are high. They've earned their reputation not through flashy ads, but through decades of dirt, sweat, and steel. Thanks for joining us on this heavy-duty journey. Until next time, keep on digging.